As Jimin exposes member V after he makes an unexpected appearance during the special talk event. Taehyung should have come here. Over the years, they have given ARMY some of the most iconic interactions, especially when they radiate sibling energy. When it comes to soulmates in K-pop, one of the friendships netizens love is between 95 liners BTS's Jimin and V. On October 30, Jimin held a special viewing event with ARMYs for his Jimin's production diary documentary. During the event, Jimin pointed out that he wished someone was on the stage with him. He added that after attending V's event, his fellow 95-liner should have come before explaining that all the members were busy. Of course, considering how close the BTS members are, it's not surprising that V found a way to attend the event, even if it wasn't in person. Those watching the live Weverse broadcast noticed that V was in the comments, typing away and sending messages to Jimin. He joked that his member should come, and they could start it all again and even play some ping pong. When Jimin saw that V was in the chat, if that wasn't enough, Jimin went on to expose V, explaining that he was probably just lying at home in bed, even adding that he probably hadn't washed up before doing it. After realizing what he said, Jimin hilariously bent his head down before apologizing. Considering the fact Jimin was ready to expose V shows how close they are. During individual schedules, the BTS members are always ready to share support, even if they can't do it in person.